students, welcome to my YouTube channel BRIGHTWAY Online Education. Here is our topic is about how to study smart, not hard, techniques that actually work. Here are few techniques that actually worked. Studying for hours but still forgetting everything. These smart techniques will help you remember more in less time. I will share 6 proven study techniques that will help you study smarter, not harder. These methods are backed by science and used by top students worldwide. Firstly, active recall, the way to remember. Don't just keep reading your notes, quiz yourself. After studying a topic, close your book and try to recall the main points. Use flashcards or write down what you remember. This forces your brain to work and create stronger memory connections. Next is weekly planning. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This keeps your mind fresh and focused. Use free apps like Forest or Focus to stay on track. Next is space repetitive. Revise at the right time. Instead of cramming, revise in intervals day 1, day 3, and day 7. This helps you move information into long term memory